Hi everyone, this is Professor Bob Young with yet another instructional video for your viewing pleasure. And this one we're going to start out with, we'll cover a few sections in the chapter, but we're going to look at the top part of this handout first, which is entitled Intersection and Union Symbols. So as you notice in the top part of the handout here, the very first line there, it says the intersection of two sets is what the sets have in common. All right, so I'm going to underline that because I try to make these things, you try to read them out of the textbook sometimes and they just don't make sense. I try to put them where you can understand them there. And the union, which is a U symbol on the next one, means simply to combine both sets together. All right, so we'll just put those two things here. All right, so I gave you a few examples on down here, and again, you can access all of these supplemental handouts and Angel course documents. Okay, and that might give you some more examples and so forth in addition to other things we get in the course. So right now, we'll look at these first examples here. It says, let set A, and they use those little curly cues and so forth, be the set of numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And set B be the set of numbers 2, 4, 6, 8. So notice over here that the intersection of sets A and B is what the two sets have in common, which would be the numbers 2 and 4. All right? The union of those two sets would be all the numbers in both sets. So if we're just taking and combining 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 4, 6, 8 together, now, wouldn't those be some nice test questions? If I just gave you that. And of course, you know me, I'm going to pull away here and we're going to do some more examples and so forth. So let's just clear that handout, which you all can get to anytime. And we'll make up a new set of numbers here. We'll say the set of numbers, and we'll call this set A, of -2, -1, 0, 1. We'll call set B the set of numbers 0, 1, 2, 3. So we can just put any numbers in here. And I'll just throw in a third set here just for meanness. We'll put the set of numbers 5 and 7 here for set C. And we'll just go through and make sure we understand our symbolisms and so forth, all right? So what if I asked y'all, what is A intersect B? Okay, well, you'd have to know what A and B have in common. So if you look up there, I would have to say that 0 and 1 would be the set of numbers they have in common. What if we said B union C? Well, that would mean combine everything in both B and C together. So that would just be the set of numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, and 7. That's a bad 7 there. Let me fix that. Now, do you know there's going to be some scumbucket, no good instructor or mathematician that may try this on you? So I must have you beware. What if some dirtbag said, Young, A intersect C? And you're looking at set A up there, and you're looking at set C on the bottom, and you're saying, what do those have in common? Well, if you see anything in common, it might be time to go to Pearl and get the eyes checked this weekend, the old Pearl Vision Centers. And here's what you write. It is called the empty set symbol. So that's one way to write it, the set of nothing. Sometimes you'll see that written as no solution in books too. Or you may see the set of nothing even written like this, which is really, in set notation, the set of nothing. It kind of reminds me of my paycheck every now and then after taxes. No, I'm just teasing. All right, so I'm hoping that we've got the intersection and union down well. So now I think I'm going to go ahead and sign off here. And we'll come back. I'm trying to keep these videos short, and we will discuss the next topic as we go. B Young, signing off.